Black olives benefits. 13 powerful reasons why doctors always suggest to eat black olives every day. Black olives, the mature version of green olives, have been enjoyed for centuries in various cuisines around the world. Besides their distinct flavor and versatility in cooking, black olives offer numerous health benefits that make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Here, we'll explore some of the key health advantages of consuming black olives. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's explore the black olive's benefits. Number 1. Eye health. For those experiencing issues such as poor vision, eye discomfort, dryness around the eyelids, or conditions like pink eye and conjunctivitis, consuming black olives is advisable. Rich in vitamin A, black olives are beneficial for maintaining eye health. They not only enhance vision, but also help combat eye-related issues, including glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration, which are typically associated with aging. Number 2. Alzheimer's disease. Black olives are rich in a substance known as gallic acid. Recent research has indicated that, in rat models, gallic acid can help mend damage to nerve cells resulting from Alzheimer's disease. While further research is necessary to confirm whether the same benefits apply to humans, preliminary results hint that black olives might offer advantages for those diagnosed with or at risk for Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Skincare and haircare benefits. Black olives are packed with crucial nutrients essential for maintaining healthy skin and promoting hair growth. These include vitamin E and antioxidants that shield the skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Additionally, these nutrients help prevent premature skin aging and the development of skin cancer. Olive oil is popularly used on the skin because it moisturizes and offers protection. You can create face masks with olive oil and craft homemade products, combining shea butter and olive oil. For your hair, applying an olive oil treatment can result in hair that is smooth, glossy, and strong. Number 4. Iron content. Each 100-gram portion of black olives contains approximately 3 milligrams of iron. Adult men require 8 milligrams of iron daily, while adult women need about 18 milligrams. Iron is crucial for the production of hemoglobin and myoglobin, proteins responsible for transporting oxygen in red blood cells and muscle cells respectively. Additionally, iron is a component of many proteins within the body and is vital for the generation of adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy carrier in the body. Number 5. Vitamin E. Consuming black olives provides approximately 1.7 milligrams of vitamin E, a fat-soluble nutrient that functions as an antioxidant to shield cells from harm caused by free radicals. These molecules are known for their potential to harm cells and possibly play a role in cancer formation. Adults over 14 years are advised to consume 15 milligrams of vitamin E daily. This vitamin plays a critical role in supporting immune health, regulating gene activity, facilitating cell communication, and other essential metabolic functions. According to the Office of Dietary Supplements, vitamin E may aid in preventing coronary artery disease and the formation of blood clots, while also preventing the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, thus helping to avert atherosclerosis. Number 6. Nutrient-rich profile. Black olives are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, black olives contain significant amounts of iron, calcium, and copper, which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones, blood, and immune function. Number 7. Antioxidant power. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress, which can lead to cellular damage and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Black olives are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, polyphenol, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative damage, and supporting overall health. Number 8. Bone health. Black olives are a source of calcium and vitamin D, both essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Adequate calcium intake is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining bone density. Additionally, the presence of antioxidants in black olives helps reduce inflammation, which can benefit bone health. Number 9. Weight management. Including black olives in your diet can also support weight management. The healthy fats and fiber in olives help promote satiety, making you feel full longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in olives can help reduce abdominal fat, which is linked to metabolic health. Number 10. Enhancing digestive well-being. Black olives are beneficial as they provide a substantial amount of dietary fiber. For optimal health, until the age of 50, it is suggested that men need 38 grams and women need 25 grams of fiber daily. The fiber in olives is of two types: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps in reducing levels of cholesterol and glucose in the blood, whereas insoluble fiber increases the bulk of your stool and facilitates the smooth passage of waste through your digestive tract. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods is essential for regulating bowel movements, managing blood sugar, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing cholesterol levels. Number 11. Promotes cardiovascular health. Black olives are rich in beneficial monounsaturated fats, with ripe olives containing nearly 8 grams per serving. The American Heart Association recommends that fats should constitute no more than 25 to 30% of one's daily caloric intake, with a preference for monounsaturated or polyunsaturated fats. These fats have been shown to lower levels of harmful cholesterol in the blood, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, monounsaturated fats may improve insulin levels and blood sugar regulation. Number 12. Reduces cancer risk. The connection between free radical attacks and cancer development is well documented, emphasizing the need for immediate action. Black olives are rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, providing essential cellular defense. This not only halts the proliferation of cancer cells, but also prevents them from mutating and combats free radical damage. Regular consumption of olives is associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Number 13. Anti-inflammatory benefits. While black olives come with numerous health advantages, it is best to consume them as part of a diet that is rich in nutrients, controlled in fats, and high in fiber. Instead of merely adding to your current intake some of the saturated and trans fats in your diet, to be substituted with foods that are high in mono and polyunsaturated fats. Moreover, black olives that are canned and pitted tend to be loaded with sodium. Consuming 6 whole, pitted, canned black olives results in an intake of 270 mg sodium, which constitutes approximately 12% of the suggested daily allowance. For those following a heart-healthy diet, monitoring sodium consumption is crucial, even when it originates from nutritious foods. Well, that is all about the health benefits of black olives. However, here are some frequently asked questions about black olives. Let's check it out. Question 1. Which olives are better, green or black? When picked, black olives are fully ripe, whereas green olives are collected before they have ripened. Nutritionally speaking, green olives typically contain higher levels of sodium, calories, fat, and vitamin E compared to black olives. On the other hand, black olives boast a higher iron content. Question 2. Are black olives and green olives the same? Essentially, yes. Black and green olives come from the same tree but are harvested at different stages of ripeness. Green olives are picked before they ripen, while black olives are harvested when fully ripe. Question 3. What are black olives? Black olives are the mature fruit of the olive tree, Olea europea. Unlike green olives, which are harvested before they are ripe, black olives are picked when fully ripe, giving them a darker color and richer flavor. Question 4. How are black olives processed? Black olives are typically cured and fermented to remove their natural bitterness. Common methods of curing include brining, soaking in salt water, dry curing, packing in salt, and lye curing, using a lye solution to remove bitterness. Question 5. Can black olives be eaten raw? Black olives are usually not eaten raw because they are very bitter due to the presence of oleuropein, a phenolic compound. They are typically cured or processed to make them palatable. Question 6. What are the different types of black olives? Some popular types of black olives include Kalamata, Niçoise, Gaeta, and Mission. Each variety has its own unique flavor and texture, often influenced by the region where they are grown and the method of curing used. Question 7. How should black olives be stored? Unopened cans or jars of black olives can be stored in a cool, dry place. Once opened, they should be kept in the refrigerator, submerged in their brine or liquid, and consumed within a week or 2 for the best quality. Question 8. Can black olives be frozen? While it's possible to freeze black olives, it is not recommended as it can affect their texture and flavor. It's better to store them in the refrigerator and consume them within a reasonable time. Question 9. Are black olives suitable for vegans and vegetarians? Yes, black olives are plant-based and suitable for both vegans and vegetarians. Question 10. How can black olives be used in cooking? Black olives can be used in a variety of dishes, including salads, pizzas, pastas, tapenades, and as a topping for breads and sandwiches. They add a rich, savory flavor to many recipes. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.